In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your room type on Booking.com. If you're a host or partner, this walkthrough will show you how to update your room name, description, occupancy, bed configuration, and other details using the Booking.com extranet, so your listing accurately reflects what guests can expect. First, sign in to the extranet. Head to admin.booking.com and log in with your host credentials. This is the control center for your property, where you manage everything from content to availability. Make sure you're using the correct property if you manage more than one, and keep your login details secure. Once you're in, go to the Property section. In the menu, click Property. Then choose either Property Layout or Room Details, depending on what your account shows. Both take you to the same place, a list of your existing room types. This is the hub where you'll see each room type you've created, along with the options to view or modify them. Next, select the room type you want to edit. Find it in the list and click the Edit button, which usually appears as a pencil icon next to the room type name. If you have multiple similar rooms, make sure you're editing the correct one, because changes to a room type generally apply to all units under that type. Now make your changes. You can update the room type name, the description and amenities text, the maximum occupancy and bed configurations, and other details that appear on your public listing. Keep the name clear and recognizable, such as specifying whether it's a studio, suite, or family room. In the description, focus on factual, guest-friendly language, highlighting standout features without exaggeration. Only list amenities that are truly included, and be specific about bed types and quantities to avoid confusion at check-in. For occupancy, set realistic limits based on the room's layout and safety. Align your text with your photos and on-site reality. Accuracy builds trust and can reduce cancellations or complaints. If you mention accessibility features or in-room services, make sure they're consistently available to every guest who books that room type. When you're happy with the updates, save your changes by clicking Save or Submit. In many cases, the updates appear on your listing within a few hours. Sometimes Booking.com may review certain edits before they go live, especially if they affect key guest information. That's normal. Give it a little time and then check your public listing to confirm everything looks as intended. Remember, editing the room type updates the content of the listing. It doesn't change your prices or availability. And that's it. With these adjustments, your room type will be clearer, more accurate, and more appealing to the right guests.